reliable, flexible, accurate. International Cybernetics, engineering the way to better roads. For more than 30 years, ICC's dedicated team of researchers and engineers have focused their efforts on producing the highest quality highway testing equipment available on the market. The International Cybernetics Development Team is made up of members of ASTM, NAPA, ACPA, and TRB, and is actively involved in governing the specifications for our industry's technology. This consummate knowledge of pavements, testing standards, and equipment specifications ensures that every ICC solution meets even your most rigorous and demanding highway testing applications. ICC specializes in the design and implementation of modular solutions that can be enhanced as your needs grow. The right equipment, at the right time, at the right price point, helps keep your project on budget while it eliminates the worry of investing in technology that could quickly become obsolete. But technology and flexibility mean little unless a manufacturer stands behind its products. ICC customers know that every solution is backed by the best service and support in the industry. From design to production to implementation, ICC professionals are there with you every step of the way to ensure your highway test and measurement needs are met. International Cybernetics family of road profilers meets ASTM E950 Class 1 requirements and can collect accurate, repeatable data at speeds up to 70 miles per hour. Primarily used to rate pavement ride, rutting, texture, and faulting, ICC profilers can be configured with multiple laser height sensors, transverse profiling systems, or scanning lasers that can be synchronized to a wide variety of positioning and geometric subsystems. At the heart of our high-speed profiling solutions are industrial-hardened hardware and software systems that can be mounted into the vehicle that best fits your data collection needs. To date, ICC has delivered over 600 data collection systems and was the Federal Highway Administration's vendor of choice for their long-term pavement performance program. For projects that require acceptance testing of new concrete or asphalt pavements, ICC's line of lightweight or portable hitch-mount profilers are certified alternatives to the use of profilographs. In addition to reporting a surface's profilograph index, our profilers can be configured to return International Roughness Index, ride number, and can be designed to read both wheel paths in one pass, increasing production and saving you time and money. The SERPRO 2000 is ICC's first walk-behind profiling solution and is certified for use on just about any surface. A Class 1 profiling unit, the SERPRO 2000 can return roughness reports, graphical representations, and profilograph simulations with bump-dip identifications and must-grind lines. Weighing just 42 pounds, the SERPRO 2000 is a fully automated unit that can be brought onto your job site and begin collecting data in a matter of minutes. International Cybernetics Corporation digital imaging collection systems are hardware and software solutions capable of collecting high-quality digital images of a roadway's right-of-way and pavement surfaces at highway speeds. Data collection computers control externally mounted high-definition cameras that are designed to withstand shock, vibrations, and the elements of a vehicle traveling up to 70 miles per hour. Images captured by ICC collection vehicles are analyzed by imaging workstations designed to automate and expedite the distress rating process and manage rating data, allowing you to categorize, rate, measure, and save all pavement distress information, and can be used for asset inventory and feature extraction. Unique to the surface testing equipment industry is the ICC line of friction trucks and trailers. Designed to measure the peak or incipient slip friction of a paved surface, ICC friction testers can help you determine when roads need resurfacing or rehabilitation. ICC friction testers are also used by tire manufacturers to test new products and in traffic accident investigations to determine if safe roadway conditions were present. Designed for extended range applications, the ICC Friction Tester XR is manufactured on an international truck chassis with an impressive gross vehicle weight rating of over 25,000 pounds and rated to last 1 million miles. From profiling, to imaging, to friction testing, International Cybernetics is the leader in the development of comprehensive surface measurement solutions. Flexible systems designed by dedicated professionals. If you can dream it, we can build it. At ICC, our expertise is matched only by our commitment to providing you the best service and support in the industry. Reliable, flexible, accurate. International Cybernetics, engineering the way to better roads.